Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my hemlock and oak that I use as my everyday planner. How come I could not think of that word? And this week I'll be using a mix of Create with Mandy's Cozy Things along with some alcohol ink and sunflowers from According to Allie. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually put down some washi. This is brown. I say brown, but it's coffee washi from... Oh, is that a line? Coffee washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. that just came out in her most recent sale. And this came really quickly, actually. I was really surprised at how quickly that came. Okay, I have to do it this way. I'm not good with putting washi down like that. And I hate, really hate having to ever slice one of these emojis in half. I really don't like having to slice one of the emojis down like their heads or something like that, so I try not to. But like, they're so cute. And this is all artwork done by Helen, so I'm just in awe of everything that she does. Actually, now I need to move it over just a bit. Putting washi down shouldn't be so hard, but I like mine straight. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off here. Now here. Okay, oh, I love it already. If I could just have this spread in that. I like the brown, and I think it's gonna go really well with the orange in this spread. I'm actually going to add some of this washi, the grid, because, well, it's me. I have to add the grid somewhere, just to add a little bit of something. There we go. And it just adds a little bit more, I think. So, and then I'm going to add just down in the corner here, maybe, actually, I'm going to add, these are huge. This one is smaller. I can work with this one. Smaller alcohol ink, like this, with a cozy and some washi, because of course. And plus I bought a whole ton of this grid washi, so I gotta make the most of it. Oh, cute. Then I'm going to add maybe some books. Oops. At the top here. With, again, a little washi. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the sidebar, which I will speed through. But the sidebar for me is really great for like little quote, well, not quotes. Sidebar is for sleep, my sleep and my workout. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I hate that I smudged that already. Ugh. So now that I've gone in and written down the lines for work, I take my work script stickers along with the fall work emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. and lay them down on each day. And I love having a 4-day work week, so I'm super excited for next week. And a day off sticker from Pretty Cute Planner. And then I go in and write that I have to pick up the kids at that time. I feel like it's an important thing to put in my planner because what happens if I forget? And I even have an alarm on my phone to make sure that I actually do go pick up my kids. Anyone else like that? And then I'm going to go ahead and take a to-do script sticker from my shop and write that I have to meal plan and order groceries on Monday evening. And then on Tuesday, I take this cute Coffee Monsters emoji to remind me to take out the garbages that night. I say remind me, but I remind my husband. And then Thursday night, pick up the groceries and mop the floors. And then on Friday, I'm trying to figure out which is the best sticker to use here. But then I take one of the boxes from the Happy Planner, I believe it's a Jewel Toned Boxes sticker book, and I place it with a planning emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and write down the videos that I have to film on the Friday. My usual Archer and Olive, Hemlock and Oak, and I'm thinking of filming an fountain pen ink collection. We'll see. But I also do need to film one day my planner lineup for 2022. But anyway, moving on to Saturday, I take this fall errands sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. because Henry has his wall climbing, and then I have a massage during that time. And then, of course, a laundry sticker for Saturday night because it's, well, Saturday night. And what else do I do on a Saturday night except laundry? And then a cute cleaning sticker, again from Coffee Monsters Co., and write down the list of things we have to clean on Sunday because Sunday is our cleaning day. And then I will be taking a box from the Jewel Toned Boxes sticker book, along with a cute coffee emoji, and write down that I'm meeting my friend Kim for coffee on Sunday. Then just add a few more pieces of deco from the sticker sheet from Create with Mandy. I realized I didn't put in any of these sunflowers. I just put some alcohol inks, and alcohol inks, because they're so big, I don't use a lot in a spread like this because they are so big. But I think I can make it work if I put one like this, and then I'll be able to put boxes on top of whatever I end up doing that day. So let's maybe put a little bit this with some washi, and then I can always put boxes on top of that once it's fully decorated, or once I figure out what it is that I'm doing on those days. Last thing I'm going to do is just write in breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and S&C for steps and calories, and then I'll be on. Alright, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love how, I still have so many stickers left because in this particular planner, I don't use a lot of decorative stickers, meaning like stickers like this. I really focus on the fun emojis and the functional in this particular planner. But I do love how just hints of the decoration really make a huge difference. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.